Hey doodlers, I'm Doodle Dog. Grab a pencil and let's draw together. Today we're going to draw a Valentine's heart. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start right about here on the page and we're going to draw the one side of the heart shape going up and over down like this. Here we go. Up. Take your time. And down like that. And now let's do the other side of the heart, starting back where we started and go up and back around. Like this. Now let's draw the face in the middle, and we'll start by drawing the mouth. So right about here, right down from the top of the heart, we're going to do a smile line, a curved line up like this. And now we'll draw the bottom of the mouth down like this. We'll make his mouth open. And let's draw some little cheek lines on either side of the mouth, like that. Don't forget the tongue line in the middle, so we'll do a curved line like that, and a curved line like that. Now let's color in the mouth black. Okay, great. Now let's draw the eyes. So starting over here, we're going to draw one circle for one of the eyes right here. Like that. And we'll draw another circle for the other eye over here. Like that. And now let's draw the highlight inside this circle with a smaller circle like that. And we'll do the same on this side. And let's give it two highlights. So we'll do an even smaller circle right there and an even smaller circle right here. And now let's color it in black. You can always draw this heart character and give it as a Valentine's card to somebody in your class or a friend or somebody in your family. He looks like a happy Valentine's. Okay, now let's draw the arms and the legs. So we'll start by having the heart guy wave to us over here. So let's draw his arms starting right about here on the side of the heart. We're going to draw a curved line up like this, and it's going to go into his hand. So his thumb, we'll start by drawing his thumb like this, and it curves up like that. And we'll give him 3 fingers across here. So 1 finger, 2 finger, 3 finger. And now let's finish this arm here coming down and connect it back to the heart. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. Okay, now let's draw the other arm and hand over on this side. So starting right about here on the body, a curved line down like that, and let's do the thumb now, and we're going to go up to the thumb, and then we'll draw the fingers. 1 finger, 2 finger, 3 finger. And we'll connect the rest back to the body for the rest of the arm, like that. Okay, now let's draw the legs. We'll start right here on the bottom of the heart, and we're going to do a curved line down like this. And we'll go into the foot. And we're going to come back up for the leg and connect it back to the body like that. And maybe this heart guy's like kind of dancing, so maybe we'll make this leg going the other direction and have the foot pointed up. So let's start right about here on the heart, and we'll come down, And we'll draw the bottom of the heel of the foot, and then we're going to come back up and stop there, and then we'll connect the line here, connecting it, curved line up like that. That looks good. I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. I'm gonna make my heart person red, but you can make yours any color you want. Remember to always sign your doodle. Wow! Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye!